Welcome to Bike Future, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting updates in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters, a machine that's set to change the game for beginner riders and enthusiasts alike. This new release brings together style, performance, and affordability in a package that's bound to impress. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters a standout in the entry-level motorcycle segment. Classic Royal Enfield design. One of the most defining aspects of Royal Enfield bikes is their classic design, and the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is no different. Featuring timeless retro styling, this motorcycle draws inspiration from the brand's iconic Bullet and Classic series, but with a modern twist. From its round headlamp to its sculpted fuel tank and minimalist bodywork, this bike screams vintage charm. It's the perfect blend of old-school aesthetics with contemporary engineering, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate style and heritage. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is powered by a single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that promises smooth power delivery. Designed to offer a balance of performance and efficiency, this engine is perfect for urban commutes and weekend rides. Producing around 12 horsepower, it provides enough punch for an enjoyable ride without being overwhelming for beginners. The 125 cubic centimeters engine also ensures excellent fuel efficiency, making it an affordable option for daily use while still offering solid performance for a variety of riding conditions. Handling and comfort. Comfort and handling are two areas where Royal Enfield has always excelled, and the 2025 125 cubic centimeters is no exception. The bike comes equipped with a suspension system that provides a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, and the upright riding posture ensures less strain on the rider, even during extended rides. Additionally, the lightweight frame makes it easy to handle, especially for newer riders still learning the ropes. Technology and features. While the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters sticks to its traditional roots, it doesn't shy away from modern technology. It's equipped with a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster, providing riders with key information such as speed, fuel levels, and trip details. The bike also includes a fuel injection system for smoother throttle response, along with upgraded braking components for enhanced safety. Royal Enfield has integrated both style and substance, offering technology that enhances the riding experience without compromising the bike's classic feel. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is a bike that offers the perfect balance of style, performance, and value. Whether you're a new rider looking for an entry-level bike or an experienced enthusiast seeking a reliable, low-maintenance machine for daily commuting,